So the basics of Typedream Part 2, and here is your website. Don't be daunted. Do not fear. Let's just talk you through it nice and quickly. So this is the one I've selected. Of course, you might have selected a different template, but they in effect work the same. And I'm not called Dan, I'm called Phil. So this is where it is so easy just to change. Just click on it, delete, put my name in it. I am not a product designer or UI enthusiast, so we're going to delete that. This will save you a bit of time because this took me a little bit of sussing out. There's always things that take a little bit of time. I'm a software reviewer based in the UK, and I love Typedream. But if I want to make that text the same colour, because I like the way Dan did it, I just click on the text colour and I go down, and that text is called Candy, and just change it to that candy colour and make it bold. So just like you're using a Word editing document, that's how you do it. And I will complete that and change the text later on. The next thing I'm going to show you in this video is how to change an image. So there is an image, and I don't want that blob. I want to put my cheesy face there. So I just click replace image, and I choose an image. And which one is it? It is Phil Loves Typedream, I think. And that uploads. There it is, and I can move that about. Oh dear, and put it where I want to put it. So we've already taught you two things: how to change text, how to change an image. Really easy to do. You can add a background image to that if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that right now. Or you can move it about. You can also add links to all of these things. So just look down the left there. Any object on the page, you can always go on, highlight it and click add a link, and it'll take you to somewhere else on the website or to an external link. The next thing we're going to show you very quickly on this website, because we're just on one page here now. We'll just concentrate on making the first page. Let's keep these simple. Add the nav bar. So you want a navigation bar across the top. You click add nav bar, and there it is. Now you can worry about your pages and what you put on that later on, but straight away I'm going to change the unicorn icon. I don't know why that starts as the default, and I'm just going to put typewriter because, well, it's called Typedream. So, and I'm going to change my site's name to I Love. And you can see why I love it, because it is so easy. So I'm going to change this text to other software I love. And then down here, I'm going to change these. I'm going to put other software I love. Once you throw yourself into building your website, the hardest bit is getting started. And I've made lots of them over the years. Some of them bad, some of them good. Very excited. So again, if I want to change that to other software I love, I can change the icon there, or I could upload an icon. Right, so I'm going to change that to other software I love. And we're going to tell you about what else. Ooh, and let's tell you about Repurpose. A really cool tool to repost your videos to any other website. And I will change that for each of the other softwares I love. I can also change the sign up button to get people to join and join my email. And change just about everything on the page, including the copyright, my other links for Facebook or for Twitter. Just show you another couple of things. When you want to preview your website to see what it'll look like on all different devices, just click on preview. This is the site live. This is what it would look like. I've not launched it yet, but this is what it would look like. And I can see how it looks on the desktop. I can see how it looks on the tablet. It's great, this. I can see how it looks on a phone. X-ray mode, just show you that very quickly at the top. That just puts lines. Some people like this because obviously you can see that everything's lined up in the right place. That is X-ray mode, nothing to be daunted about. And the last two buttons to show you in this very short tutorial are the forwards and the backwards buttons. So if I want to go back, I click back, I click back, I click back, and you see down the bottom of the screen there, and it undoes and redoes stuff. So if you make a mistake, do not fear. Forward and backward is your savior. Okay? Another video coming up with a few more things to do on your page, but that is part 2.